Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Jessica Symes. I'm a sociologist here at Boston University. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about this initiative and kind of why we're bringing together this particular set of scholars. So Professor Jonathan Jay and I realized that while our two sort of research agendas had kind of not really crossed over very much, working on community violence, working on the criminal legal system, we found that a lot of the sort of effects of these two conditions of American communities, as well as some of the sort of proposed responses to the issues around the criminal legal system were really similar and deserved more sort of integration. We know that over the last 4 decades, the United States incarceration rate has grown by 400%. And issues around policing and police violence have raised to the national policy agenda. And at the same time, community violence is really harmful to our most marginalized neighborhoods and children, and we oftentimes respond to community violence with a punitive response. And so thinking about how we can address the issues within both sort of social problems is kind of at the heart of this. And as John and I worked together, we realized that we weren't the only ones who were kind of thinking about these issues. And there are several faculty across Boston University, some of which are here today, who represent our School of Education, School of Public Health, social work, our departments of political science and criminal justice, our law school, who are really thinking about this relationship between community violence, the criminal legal system, and justice for communities. And so today, there's just this really, our collective work is really engaging in these policy and community-based efforts, thinking about how the criminal justice system has been adopted and implemented in other kinds of systems like schools and our ways of managing and dealing with houselessness and homelessness. And really we're drawing across such a variety of disciplines and methods, and it's just a really exciting group of projects.